Testing. Okay, welcome to the video. We're looking at a stem and leaf plot here, and they told us the data it is. It shows the house prices for houses that were sold over the last week in Tacoma. And they're asking what is the most expensive house sold. So first of all, let's just take a minute and remember how do we interpret information from a stem and leaf plot. In the stem and leaf plot here, they're giving us units. Each stem represents $100,000. So for example, every house listed on this row was in the $100,000 range. And the leaf represents the $10,000. So this 1 and this 9 represent a house that sold for $190,000. The 1 and the 2 represent a house that was sold for $120,000. So if we look at this question, they're asking about the most expensive house. So that's going to be the house with the highest $100,000 range. So we're going to look in the 3s column here. These are houses that all sold in the $300 range. And then we're going to look for the biggest leaf in that category, which is a 5. So that represents 5 times 10,000, 50,000. So $350,000 is the biggest value in this stem and leaf plot. It's the house that sold for the most. When we enter it in WAMEB, I think we want to be sure not to put in commas, so we'd enter it 350,000, just like that, with no spaces and no commas between the digits, saying this 3 and that 5 represent a house that sold for $350,000, and that's the biggest selling price for all the houses for the last week in Tacoma.